Hi everyone, is your iPhone frozen, slow or not responding? Don't worry, in this video I will show you both soft reset and hard reset setup. Step 1. Soft reset. A soft reset is just restarting your iPhone. Press and hold the power button and volume button together. Now slide to power off. Wait a few seconds, then turn your iPhone back on. Step 2. Hard reset. If your iPhone is frozen or stuck to a hard reset, quickly press up, then volume down. Then press and hold the power button until the Apple logo appears. Step 3. Wait for restart. Now wait for your iPhone to restart normally. Important tip. A hard reset will not delete your photos or data. It only refreshes the system. And that's it. Now you know how to soft reset and hard reset your iPhone. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe and share for more easy iPhone tips.